Outdoor fun. Swinging is the most popular activity for any outdoor playground or jungle gym. Complete or update your current backyard swing set with this heavy-duty swing seat. Comfortable chains. 2 zinc-plated chains of swing set, 66 long each, 30 of which is covered with thermoplastic, perfectly avoid the harm caused by the chain. Soft swing seat. Our swing seat made of EVA plastic material, soft and strong, which makes you feel comfortable, extruded without deformation. The swing board is 26.5 x 5.5, U-type that sitting on it makes you wobble more safely and plays more fun. Safe non-slip designs and easy to clean, perfect chose for your outdoor activities, our swing set suitable for girls and boys. Durable and dependable. Made of high-quality materials to ensure hours of fun and years of play. Rated to hold up to 250 pounds. Enjoy your spare time. This 2-pack swing set is very suitable for your children. Children can experience the fun of outdoor activities to improve their balance and self-confidence. Top reviews from the United States. They swing. These swings took a free swing set I got off Marketplace from SAD to Fab. When I got the swing set it was full of hornets, had 2 decent specialty swings, a hazardous swing and was missing the 4th. I ordered these and 2 days later we had an amazing and beautiful swing set. After my custom spray paint job. I am beyond pleased with these swings and so are my kids. Bonus points. They have hooks to connect the extra chain you don't need, so no chain cutters required and they can be adjusted time after time.